Do you need a safe place to start your seeds? Well, I'm going to give you a quick review of this indoor-outdoor greenhouse. Although this greenhouse came with an instruction booklet, you see all that wording on that whole page has nothing to do with the instructions. These cute little pictures are the instructions, and although they do show you what goes where, they do not give you instructions on the actual assembly. So with much trial and error and comic relief of everything falling apart, we finally figured it out. And I'm here to show you how we accomplished this feat. The best way to assemble this is one section at a time. First, take the long cross poles and stick them into the side holes of the cross members. Next, take your green cross members and put the uprights into the top holes. Be sure to seat each pole into the hole using a mallet. You might have to turn them on their side in order to seat them. Place the two arch poles into the holes and give them a gentle tap. Next, it's time to place the shelves. Our shelves did not come with any way to secure them. I used a little ingenuity with some zip ties to keep them in place. There is an upgrade to this kit, which includes shelf clips. I'll provide a link in the description and the top comments. Finally, you're going to put the protective vinyl covering over the top of your unit. This covering comes with ties to secure it to the frame, a conveniently zipped door, which you can roll up and secure. Greetings, friend. I'm Tammy from City Homestead Living, and if you enjoy reviews like this and homesteading videos, then I would like to invite you to click that subscribe button and join us on our channel.